To install Google Tag Manager on Squarespace, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account on their website. In the dashboard, click the Admin button, located at the bottom left corner, and then select Install Google Tag Manager. Choose the option to install with a website builder or CMS. And from the list of platforms, select the relevant one, although the instructions may initially indicate selecting a different platform. The process remains largely the same. Here, you will find your tag ID, which you should copy for later use. Take a moment to review the instructions provided by Google Tag Manager. Then proceed to your Squarespace account and log in. Navigate to the website where you want to install Google Tag Manager. And on the left side of the dashboard, click on Marketing. In the Marketing section, click on the Settings icon, and then select SEO from the Settings menu. Next, return to Google Tag Manager. Click on Install Manually to obtain the necessary code snippets, and copy the code provided for manual installation. Back in your Squarespace account, use the search bar to find Code Injection and select it from the results. In the code injection settings, you will see sections for the header, footer, and other parts of your site. Paste the copied Google Tag Manager code into the header section, and then click Save to apply the changes. With these steps completed, Google Tag Manager is now installed on your Squarespace website.